Hi, I'm Mandy, and in this video I'll walk you through how to pay for parking on our Te Pūkenga City and Rotokauri campuses using the PARKi app. Let's go! First, download and install the PARKi app for iOS or Android smartphones. Once downloaded to your phone, open the PARKi app. Next, you must register to use the PARKi app. Enter your details, names, email, choose a password and add your mobile phone number. Push Next at the top right of your screen. The next screen is where you can enter your car number plate, country and region. Push Next on the top right of your screen and select the Confirm button. Congratulations! You should get a prompt that says Account Created. Next, we will set up your payment method. On the bottom right of your screen, select Menu, choose Account and select the Payment Details tab. Here, you can enter your credit or debit card details to pay for parking. Once completed, hit Submit and you're good to park in our Te Pūkenga car parks. Using the PARKi app, we need to find the location of the Te Pūkenga car park we want to use. In the search bar, just type Te Pūkenga. Select the List tab and then click the Nearby button. You will then see a list of Te Pūkenga car parks near you. Select the car park nearest to you. Once selected, you should then be brought to the Purchase Ticket screen. Before we move on, push the star icon next to the Te Pūkenga car park you've selected. This will save it in your favourites, making it easier to find in the future. Next, select duration and choose how long you need the car park for. Consider walking distance time from your car to your class. The PARKi app will calculate the parking costs for the time you need and will prompt you to make a payment using your registered card. The good thing is, if you return to your car early, you can stop the session and you'll only get charged for the time that you used. And finally, if you see someone struggling with the PARKi app and you are not able to help, direct them to the Student Enrolment Centre or the IT Help Desk in the Student Hub. The PARKi app gives you a convenient, fast way to pay for your parking. Haere, and we can't wait to have you on campus soon.